For this recipe we need asparagus, 2 eggs, pepper and salt. Let's get started. So we are going to prepare a pan with olive oil. And we let the oil to preheat. So we're going to start by cutting the tail of the asparagus with our hands. And now we're going to fry the asparagus and then the eggs. It's time to put the asparagus into the pan. So the asparagus is ready. Now we're going to add more olive oil for the eggs. It's time to put the eggs. So if you want to have a well done fried egg, the secret is to put some olive oil like this on the egg. The eggs are ready. So the asparagus and eggs are ready. Enjoy your breakfast.